Hi, I'm Emily from Motor Match in Stoke, and today I'm going to be showing you around this manual Ford Kuga in silver. This stylish vehicle boasts 1.5 litre diesel engine and meets Euro 6 emission standards and is finished in the sporty ST line trim. When looking at the front of the vehicle, to ensure that the road ahead is fully illuminated, you benefit from your LED headlights and also LED rear lights. This vehicle stands on these stylish 10-spoke rock metallic 18-inch alloy wheels, complementing the car's exterior perfectly. Into the rear, we have the gorgeous leather and suede upholstery with your red stitching there, as well as Isofix anchor points and a movable armrest with exposed cup holders. In the back as well, you have a ventilation system with a USB and a USB-C charge port. Into the vehicle's spacious boot, which provides ample of room inside, perfect for the daily essentials like the weekly food shop, and your back seats do fold down to 60-40 split. To open and close the boot, you can simply swipe your foot under to open, and also close here by the button, as this tailgate is automatic for your convenience. Into the front cabin, the stylish look continues with that same upholstery on the front two seats as the back, these seats being your sports seats. Your front seat is also electrically adjustable to help you find your perfect driving position with ease. Taking a closer look here, we have your multifunctional steering wheel and a head-unit digital display, where as you can see, you can change the drive mode of the vehicle dependent on your journey that day from the wide range of options available. Over now to the infotainment system, you can explore the radio options available or connect your own devices and train music. Navigation is also provided to ensure you never get lost on those unfamiliar journeys. You can also connect via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone connectivity to third-party apps like Waze and Google Maps. When we shift the car into reverse, a rear camera becomes available with sensors to make manoeuvring easier than ever. Moving down, we have your easy-to-use climate control to ensure ultimate comfort for you and all your passengers, and below there, two USB charge ports to ensure your devices are always charged. Thank you for watching this presentation on this manual Ford Kuga in silver. If you are interested in this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team here at Motor Match Stoke.